Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Design with Lacy. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can bulk create design using Canva AI. Okay, so if you want to bulk create your design using Canva AI, this is how you are going to go about it. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I drop another valuable video. So on this channel, I talk about video editing using CapCut, I talk about making design using Pixel Lab, then I also talk about creating design using Canva. So that's what we do on this channel and how you can make money from the skill you are learning. Let's move on now. So if you want to bulk create any design using Canva and ChatGPT, this is how you are going to go about it. Go to the ChatGPT website. So if you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's an AI that answers your questions. So let's go to the ChatGPT.ai. So if you don't have an account with them, you can simply type in openai.com and go to this website. When you hit enter on your keyboard, you are going to see OpenAI. So if you click on OpenAI, it's going to take you to an interface like this. So when you get to this interface, you tap on login. Tap on login if you already have an account with them, but if you don't have an account with them, tap on sign up. Because I have an account with them, I'm going to tap on login. After tapping on login, it's going to bring an interface like this. Here we have, you can see their products here. So the one we are going to use is the ChatGPT. Tap on the ChatGPT and it's going to take you to another interface like this. So when you get to the interface like this, depending on the niche you are, let's say we are in the niche of an e-commerce, how to sell your e-commerce product. So let's say write 30 tips on how to sell your e-commerce product. So this is what we are asking ChatGPT to do for us. So when you type in this prompt, what you have to do is to click on the send icon there. So when you click on this send icon, it's going to generate 30 tips on how you can sell your e-commerce product for you. So if you want to use this to grow your Instagram page, this is how you are going to go about it. So after giving you these 30 tips, we are going to move on to how to generate these 30 designs using Canva. So do not forget to like this video and comment down below if this video was helpful to you. So look at this, ChatGPT have given us 30 tips on how to sell your e-commerce. Here you can ask the ChatGPT to regenerate the response again, or you can continue generating extra tips. All right, so let's take a look at these tips that the ChatGPT have generated for us. So in these tips we have you can see they are that long. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to shorten these tips down. So we'll ask him shorten the above down. All right, so we hit enter. So we are asking it to shorten the tips down. So it's going to shorten these tips, making it short for us so that we can use Canva design to generate these 30 designs in 2 minutes. So the ChatGPT have done a good work for us by shortening these tips. So you can see, know your target audience, optimize product description, use high quality product. So we have these 30 tips. So how do we generate these 30 designs? So for us to do this, we have to you can make use of Google Excel sheet, you can make use of Google Spreadsheet, okay, or you can make use of your normal Microsoft Excel. But since we are on the internet and Google Spreadsheet is faster, we are just going to make use of Google Spreadsheet. So open a new tab and search for Google Spreadsheet. All right, so when you search for Google Spreadsheet, you are going to see Google Spreadsheet here. So this is the Google Sheet. So you are just going to click on that and it's going to open up an interface like, all right, so it's going to open up an interface like this. If your own doesn't come directly to this interface, it's going to show you another interface. Then click on blank document to create a new blank document. Then it will take you to this area. All right, so let's go back to our ChatGPT. So when we get to our ChatGPT, we are going to copy these tips. So here are 30 tips on selling e-commerce products. So we are going to copy the heading. This is the heading. So copy this heading, highlight it, copy it, go over to your spreadsheet at the top here. So at the top here, so take a look at it. At the top here, you are going to see untitled spreadsheet. So click on that. then paste in what we copied. All right, so paste in what we copied. So we now have 30 tips on selling e-commerce products. So this will now be the name of your spreadsheet. All right, so that is that. So let's move on now. So when you're done, you click outside there, go back to your ChatGPT again. So now we are going to copy. This one is know your target audience, but before that we will copy 30 tips on selling e-commerce product. That one will be first. So go over to spreadsheet again. So for this, we are going to use at this number one, you are going to paste it. So right click and paste it. So we are going to paste this. You can increase this size so that you can see what we are doing. All right, so we have 30 tips on selling e-commerce product. That is the that should be the number one, because I'll show you why when we get to Canva. All right, go back to your ChatGPT again. So when you get to your ChatGPT, we are going to copy this. So highlight this. All right, so you are going to highlight this, or if you don't want to highlight this, you can use this copy icon. So here you will see a copy icon here. So you can see this copy icon. Just click on this copy icon. All right, so when you click on that copy icon, go over to your spreadsheet, and in row 2, right click inside row 2, paste it. So we are going to paste this. So when you paste this, we are going to have this. So this first line, we are going to delete this. So to delete this, to remove this is what you are going to do. So just double click inside and remove everything that is inside here like this. So you just remove everything, then come down here. So we remove everything that is inside the row 2 and row 3. So we are going to delete the row 2 and row 3. So to do that, use your mouse, highlight the two of them like this. So right click on it and delete. So we are going to delete at the down here. You can see delete rows 2 to 3. So we are going to delete that. So the text is going to shift up that way. So let's scroll down. So we have 31. So we are going to just format this way. So to format this down text, we are going to click inside here, double click on it, and delete everything that is inside here. All right, so now we have only tips 1 to tips 30. All right, so the next step is to save this and download it to our system. So to save this, simply go over to file, click on file, and here go to download. So we are going to download this as comma separated value. So click on this to download it. So when it's going to download, you can see the download is showing down here. So after downloading, we are going to go over to Canva. So in this session, I'm going to show you how you can now create this in Canva. So to do that, go over to canva.com to search for canva.com. So if you don't know what Canva is a design software. You use this to design. You use this for presentation. You also use it for video editing. So Canva is very good software. Okay, all right, so please listen now. If you don't have the premium Canva, you won't be able to use this feature that we are using. So for you to get the premium Canva, there will be a link up at the top right corner of the screen that you're watching now. There will be a link there. Tap on that link to go and watch my video on how to get the Canva Pro, all right, for free. Or you can check in the description of this video. You will see a video on how to get the Canva Pro for free. So watch that video, get the Canva Pro, and come back to finish up this video. So let's move on. All right, so in the search button here, you are just going to click on this. So for this, you will search for Instagram post. Okay, Instagram post for tips. So hit the enter key on your keyboard to search for this. So for this, you are going to see all this. So you are going to see different designs, Instagram post design, and this and all that. So for this, let's say we like this design, these tips and that. So let's say Instagram post, this post helpful and all that. So let's see. All right, so let's make use of this design. So you can look for the design that you like. okay, you can look for the design you like. You can see this one is for pro subscribers, which means that I'm using pro. So just click on it. So when you click on this, you are going to see other templates under it, similar templates under it. So you can, if you don't like that one, you can use this other similar template. All right, so I think I like this color, so let's make use of this. So we click on this template and go to customize. So we are going to customize this template to our own taste. So when you click on customize, you are going to, it's going to take you to an interface like this. So for this, you are going to delete all these other pages, keeping only one page. All right, keeping only one page. That is what we are going to do. So to do this, over here, each of these pages, you are going to see delete. This is the delete icon. So tap on the delete icon to delete all these pages, all these other pages, delete all these other pages. Okay, all right, so we have deleted all those other pages. So this first page here, you can make some adjustments here. So for this place, you can tap on this text and add your brand name. So let's say my brand name is design with lacing, which is my brand name. All right, so I'm going to put that there. So at the bottom here, you can see swipe for more, okay, which is good for an Instagram post because they will swipe your screen. So this text here, so what we are going to do now, we are going to leave everything this way. For this clock, you can remove this clock and bring in an image relating to the tips that you are writing. But before that, let's go over to the right hand side. So go to this right hand side, you are going to scroll down here. When you scroll down, you will see apps. So click on apps. When you click on apps, you are going to see, among these apps, you are going to see the bulk create. So if you should tap on the bulk create this way, it's going to show you something like this: enter data manually and or upload CSV file. So like I said, if you are not using the Canva Pro, you won't be able to access. So watch the video in the description on how to get Canva Pro for free and come back to finish up your video. So tap on upload CSV file. So if you should tap on the upload CSV file, it's going to take you to your system memory. So go over to your download where you downloaded the .csv file that we created using using Google Spreadsheet and ChatGPT. So this is the file. So I'm going to tap on that, then go over here and tap on open. So it's going to open up something like this. So we are going to see data feed identified. So we are going to see 30 tips on selling e-commerce product. All right, so what we are going to do now is to go over to our design. So when you go over to your design, you are going to see how to be more productive. So what we will do now is click on it first, then right click on it. If you are using your mobile phone to do this is the same process that you are going to do. So when you right click on it, you are going to see connect data. So when you click on connect data, you will see the .csv file that we uploaded. So you are going to see the 30 tips on selling e-commerce products. So you are going to click on this. All right, so when you click on that, you are going to see this it's going to tick good here. So you click on continue. So when you click on continue, you are going to see all these create pages based on the data you entered. So you can see everything that is available. So here we are going to generate 30 pages out of this. So is that not cool, guys? So without us typing anything and all that, this is how you generate 30 designs in just a minute. So you are going to click on generate this design. So it's going to open another page. So when it opens up this other page, you will find, you are going to see all your designs here. So so you can see the first page here is saying know your target audience. So here you can make some adjustment to the images. This is know your target audience. You can see that know your target audience. You can scroll down, optimize product description. So you can see that. So now you can change all these images related and add a related image on each of these tips. Okay, you can see use high quality product images. So you can make some adjustment to this and change what I do when I'm creating these tips. What I do is to change each of these background color. So let's say the first background color is this. I can go to the second design and change this color, click on the background and change the color to another color like this, so that there will be difference between tips. So you can see, change each of this color and you now continue. So you can edit the text, choose a font that you like for each of these texts and make some changes to it. So you can see everything that we just created, up to 30 designs in just a minute. So you can make some adjustments to each of these stuff. So guys, if this video was helpful, you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more updates. So you can make some changes, can increase the size, reduce the size, big, make it small. So this is how you create this type of lines. Okay, so that is that. And let's move on again. So to download these designs, what you are going to do, so if you notice, you can see that we did not have the 30 tips that we did, okay, which is the first stuff that we had, which is the heading of this design. That design did not create by itself. So what you are going to do, if you are facing this challenge, you are going to go over to this first design, this first page, click on duplicate to duplicate this page. So if you should click on that, it's going to duplicate this page. You can see page 1 and page 2 having the same information. So for this other page, what you are going to do is to click on this text, then go over to your ChatGPT if it's still open, then highlight 30 tips on selling e-commerce product, highlight it, copy it and go back to that your Canva, then double tap on this and paste it in. We now have 30 tips on selling your e-commerce product. Okay, so you can make some adjustment if anything is covering anything in your design. So we have something like 30 tips on selling e-commerce product. So that is that. So when you are done with this, you just go over to the share icon here, go over to the share icon here, then go down here. So when you go down, you are going to see the download button. Click on the download button. So here we have all pages. So we are downloading the 31 pages at the same time. So here, click on the download icon and these designs will be downloaded your phone or your system. So if I should click on that, it's going to download these 30 designs at the same time for me to make use of. So this is how you create this design. So let me quickly show you how to generate captions for each of these tips that you have created. So to generate this caption, so that each time you want to post this design, you can simply copy the captions and post it with the design. This is how to generate this caption. So go over to your ChatGPT. So for the first, know your target audience, you are going to copy this, then go over to the message button here and type. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to explain this to your audience. All right, so this is what you are going to type. So explain this to my audience. So paste that, know your target audience, and tap on enter on your keyboard to generate the response. So this is what ChatGPT is saying. Know your target audience is a crucial concept in business and marketing that is all understanding a specific group of people you want to reach. So know your target audience, you can create product or services that do this. So this, you generate this caption, then copy it, then take it to maybe your notepad or anywhere you can keep your text and paste it there. So if you are posting the tips one, if you are posting know your target audience in the first day, you copy that caption and put under the post as you are posting the first day. So this is how you do this, and you see your Instagram page growing. You see you generating post content ideas for your business. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and like this video if it was helpful. If you have learned something, you like the video, okay, and I will see you in my next video.